Testimony resumes in the trial of a former school committee member charged under Rhode Island's social host law.
Serra is accused of hosting an underage drinking party prior to a serious car crash in Charlestown last October, then failing to help the injured teens at the scene of that crash.
And today her case returned to the courtroom following a 3-week delay.
Eyewitness News reporter Nicole Estefan joins us now from the South County Mobile Newsroom.
This was the second day of testimony, and for the first time we heard from an eyewitness who rushed to the scene when he heard the accident from his home, and he talked a little bit about Serra's behavior at the accident scene. Serra left court on Monday without comment on the second day of her trial. She is facing 2 misdemeanor charges, violation of the social host law and failure to render aid in connection with this Charlestown accident that left 4 Charahoe High teens injured.
Doesn't call 911, doesn't do anything, gets in the car and leaves, and then obviously makes the statement that was attributed to her when we were last here. We got to get out of here. I think one of the kids is dead.
For the first time, we heard from an eyewitness from the accident scene that backs up the prosecution's claim. Paul Gunning testified that not only did Serra not call 911, but he heard her yelling at one of the teens and that she placed a phone call to an unidentified person saying, quote, "You better get down here and see what you did."
Neighbor actually saw her on her own cell phone yelling at someone as opposed to this is 911.
A teen who attended the party also took to the stand. He testified that Serra had told the teens she did not want any drinking or drugs, but at some point later in the night, she did know that drinking was going on and that she ended the party shortly after. Serra has pleaded not guilty to both charges. She's also resigned her position with the Charahoe School Committee. She will be back in court on Wednesday. With the South County Mobile Newsroom, Nicole Estefan, Eyewitness News.